Yes, let's say you are going to model a difficult pattern with indentations, such as Bitcoin patterns. I will show you how to do this easily. You need a black and white vector image of the pattern you will model. Now we add a grid object to the scene and then right click, select subdivide from the options, set the number of cuts value to 50 from the bottom menu and exit the edit mode with tab. We add subdivision surface modifier to the object and save it at level 1. And then we add displace modifier and create a new texture. Come to the texture properties menu and select your pattern image. You need to click on the file icon and find your image. Finally, we come to the displace modifier settings. Here we adjust the strange settings according to our pattern.